Good day, this is Rashmi and you're watching SK Live, your time, your news. Moving towards the headlines. Single day COVID-19 cases in India below 75,000. Recovery rate rises to 83.01 PC. Maharashtra Police Force reports 215 new COVID-19 cases. Delhi High Court issues notice on plea over non-payment of teacher salary in Delhi colleges. Moving towards the headlines in details. Delhi COVID-19 cases in India dropped below 75,000 and less than 1,000 deaths were reported in a day after nearly a month, while total recoveries crossed the 51 lakh mark according to the Union Health Ministry's data updated on Tuesday. As many as 215 personnel of the Maharashtra Police Department tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, taking total cases to 23,033 in the force, informed the state police on Tuesday. Out of total coronavirus positive cases, the active cases stand at 3,107, while 19,681 patients have recovered. The death toll has reached 245. The Delhi High Court on Tuesday issued notices to Delhi University, Delhi government and several colleges on a petition claiming non-payment of salaries to approximately 1,500 teachers of several government-funded colleges. The Supreme Court on Tuesday asked the Jammu and Kashmir government how much longer and under what order it wanted to keep former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti in detention. The Kalina Forensic Science Laboratory in Mumbai on Tuesday said that its report in July on the death of Sushant Singh Rajput had ruled out any kind of poison or organic poisoning. Days after a meeting between Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut and former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis on Saturday, state BJP Chief Chandrakant Patil on Tuesday said the three parties in the ruling coalition, the Congress, Shiv Sena and NCP, will fight among each other and break up. 2 army personnel were injured after an army truck fell into Narsunalla near Sarmoli on Jammu-Srinagar National Highway in Udhampur on Tuesday. According to the Senior Superintendent of Police Udhampur, 2 army personnel, Nayak Panwar and Suresh Subre, were injured after one army oil drum vehicle skidded off the road on National Highway 44 at Narsunalla. Over 57.7 lakh people have been affected in 30 districts of Assam due to floods in the state, said the Assam State Disaster Management Authority on Tuesday in its daily flood report. As many as 57,75,643 persons have been affected in 30 districts of Assam due to floods in the states, the ASDMA said, adding that 199 people have lost their lives due to the floods so far. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday launched a scathing attack on those opposing the farm reform bills, saying they do not want farmers to have the freedom of selling their produce in the open market. Without naming the Congress, he said the frustration of a party which ruled for 4 generations was at the root of this politics of opposition for opposition's sake. Bollywood actor Sonu Sood, who is often dubbed as the Messiah of migrants for his philanthropic work during coronavirus-induced lockdown, has been conferred with the prestigious SDG Special Humanitarian Action Award by the United Nations Development of Programme. Ravi Shastri, the coach of Indian cricket team, has said that Washington Sundar's performance for Royal Challengers Bangalore against Mumbai Indians is the best so far in ongoing Indian Premier League 2020. That's all for today's news. Keep watching SK Live.
आपके विजुअल एडवर्टीजमेंट के लिए SK Live ही बेस्ट ऑप्शन है। SK Live का इस क्षेत्र में 24 घंटा टेलीविजन, एंड्रॉइड ऐप और वेबसाइट पर प्रसारण होता है। सोशल मीडिया पर भी हम उपलब्ध हैं। हमारी व्यूवरशिप 9 लाख से अधिक है। सिक्किम, हैथवे और NXT डिजिटल पर, दार्जिलिंग और कालिम्पोंग में दोनों हैथवे और CCN सेटअप बॉक्स पर, क्लामपुर से लेके मैनागुड़ी हैथवे पर, सिटी केबल पर सिलीगुड़ी और आसपास, नक्सलबाड़ी से पानी टंकी तक NXT डिजिटल में। तो सोचिए नहीं, कॉल करें 7908554303।